Allison, beautiful weather that we've had today, but if you're correct, which you oftentimes are, it's not going to last going into tomorrow.
Yeah, so tomorrow we'll start off dry, but we've got a much different end to the day tomorrow, and it's going to, I think, surprise a lot of people because we have had such beautiful weather. So the rainfall tomorrow, it's going to be a little bit of a rude awakening.
Yes, absolutely, I agree.
But things were gorgeous today. We still have a nice view of what was going on over in McKee earlier. Very nice sunset over there as well. And temperatures still on the mild side, 64 degrees there right now. There's that sunset. Temperatures throughout the rest of the area, similar situation, but we are going to see some clouds moving in overnight tonight. Tomorrow, we are going to start off dry, but heading throughout the overnight hours, that's when the rainfall is going to come into the forecast. And then we've got a rainy and stormy weekend ahead of us. But as far as temperatures go right now, 69 degrees over in Paintsville, Jackson sitting at 68, 61 degrees over in London, and 57 over in Harlan right now. So not too bad temperature-wise tonight, and also feeling a little bit dry, but a little bit muggy as well. That's because our dew points are kind of close to where our actual temperature is. So the closer they get, the more muggy our air feels. But the good news is that we are dry as far as pinpoint Doppler goes. Nice clean sweeps on the radar, so we're not tracking any rain just yet, but you can see lots of rain throughout the area. We are seeing lots of rain throughout Tennessee, Louisiana, Mississippi, and that's eventually going to move in towards Kentucky a little bit later on tomorrow, eastern Kentucky that is. We already started to see some of the onset of that front moving through the area over towards western Kentucky, but as far as eastern Kentucky goes, we've managed to stay dry, but that's not going to be the case for much longer. We do have some rain on the way. Overnight tonight, we're just going to be dealing with some cloud cover, hit and miss at that, and then in the morning, most folks will be dry. However, along I-64 over towards Moorhead and over towards Ashland, could see a few spotty showers in the morning hours, but for the most part, everyone's staying dry until the afternoon into the evening hours. As of now, looks like most of the rain is going to push through after 5 o'clock. So if you can manage to get home around 5 o'clock or so, you are most likely going to be able to get home without running into any rainfall. But anytime after that, well, we were going to see the rain starting to push throughout the area, and then we're sticking with that rain chance throughout the rest of the night on Thursday and into your Friday as well. So Friday morning, a little bit of a wet commute, and we're also hanging on to those clouds throughout much of the day Friday. Although the chance of spotty showers, it is going to stick around. It's looking less and less throughout the day on Friday, but spotty chances return on Saturday. As far as rainfall totals go, not too much to speak of in the mountains, but over towards Louisville, around 2 inches of rain is what they're expecting throughout Friday. But as far as the mountain goes, anywhere from around a tenth, even up to a quarter, even up to around a half an inch of rainfalls through Friday, that is. We are going to see a little bit more rain throughout the weekend. As far as temperatures go tomorrow, even though we are going to be dealing with that rain, we're still going to top out in the upper 70s. And if that cloud cover holds off in the afternoon hours, wouldn't be surprised if we even made it down into the 80s tomorrow. So another warm day on tap for eastern Kentucky. Also, don't forget, set your clocks ahead 1 hour on Saturday night before heading off to bed for Sunday. Our sunrise is going to be around an hour earlier Sunday morning, or rather an hour later Sunday morning, and sunset an hour later as well. Those rain chances don't really go anywhere. They're just going to set up shop, and we're going to be dealing with some rain, pretty spotty showers throughout the weekend, but we also could be seeing some thunderstorms this weekend as well.
Allison, thanks very much.